Alright everybody, so welcome back. Let's continue from here on, and the main focus is gonna be, of course, this is gonna be the live for learning the GenAI stuff, and I will be learning about Hugging Face mainly in this particular, I think that's the name, but never mind, I will be even checking this thing out. But even before that, let me even turn the chats off. Unfortunately, I have to do that because I'm gonna be mainly focusing on GenAI part. But before that, let's simply create proper nodes, and once the nodes are actually created, then I can just simply continue from here on, especially when it comes to the nodes. So I will be going to the important topics and MongoDB, and this is the code section that I have over here. Not only the code section, I need to have the code related to aggregation and all that I mentioned there. So let's keep it on the left. I don't even need to keep it on the left side. It will be automatically be shifted. So let's do it like this. I think it's fine. Now it's gonna be. So what is the next thing that I have to do? The next thing is that update, and lastly I'm gonna be having the code related to aggregation over here. So th3 aggregation. This is actually how it's gonna be, and color is going to be over here, maybe green or something. So let's keep this one. The green color was already there, so let's make it blue this time. So this is gonna be this, and again I will have my remaining code over here. So this was the code, Control A and Control C, that's it. It should be enough over here. So all this code is gonna be related to all this code is gonna be related to aggregation only. As for the language of the code, that is I think JavaScript or something. Python. That's already Python, so I don't need to worry about this. By the way, I can actually make it JavaScript in order to just make it look better, so that I have comments and other things visible. So this particular, who's calling over and over? Okay, never mind. Now the next thing is that creating the nodes only for the code, because over here I had a lot of examples, so I have to just skip them. Most of the things are already done, so let's simply collapse these two. And over here inside the aggregation section, I will be having the code that I actually need over here. Okay, it doesn't look okay. This is fine. So first thing is what? First thing is something that aggregation related stuff. So that's gonna be in aggregation. First of all, I learned about match, so I can say $match is something that I learned about, and I can just simply have the example of that. So this is going to be the example, $match. After $match, I learned about $group. So let's even mention all of them over here. So $match, $group for grouping the things. Then I learned about after $group, these two things are done. That's great. I learned even about $sum for summing, not for just adding the things. I learned about $average for getting the average, and average price and all. I'm gonna be having a simple example over here. $group, $sort. I learned about $sort. How about just writing some of the examples over here as well? Like I can even go ahead like this, not really a big problem. $sort. Then I have something called $price is fine. $sort is also okay over here. After that, DB aggregate. So I have something called $project. I will be even having the examples using these. Then after that, I have $multiply. Again, these things are gonna be used here quite frequently, so I don't even need to worry about them. But yeah, it's better to just mention them over here. It's exactly how many things I actually covered. And then $sort is done. After that, I have something called $push. So $push, then $add to set, even that's done. Then we have something called $unwind for unwinding the things and all. After $unwind, done. Group is also done. $add to set. Then there is something called $size for getting the size. There is something called $limit for limiting the things, and lastly there is something called skip for skipping the things. Then there is something called $filter for filtering the stuff and all. So ultimately this is how almost everything is covered over here. Yeah, done. This is not enough, I actually have to give proper examples, otherwise it's gonna be crazy to just have this much code over here. So first code is gonna be related to, let's get them from the last. So over here I have project related stuff from this, so why not having it over here. This is the first example, and I'll be keeping it like this. After that I have something called this $match. First of all I'm matching, unwinding them, grouping them, projecting them, skipping them. So almost everything is covered over here, so I don't even need to worry about anything at all. But let's see, $limit is gonna be here. It's gonna be simply limiting the things and all. So I can even have this where $limit is being used. Control V, and $limit, $unwind colors. Fine. I don't really think I missed anything over here. I've almost got most of the things. Dollar group, some multiple or multiply. Let's even check that thing out. Almost most of the things that were quite important to be mentioned here, they've already been mentioned, so I don't need to worry about that. $first, let's even have this particular example over here. Control C, and it's gonna be like this. Again, this is not the last time that I'm actually working with, so even in future I will be just working with aggregation, so this will be there back in my mind, so don't really need to worry about it. $multiply, so yeah, this is not multiple. Multiply, just like this. So this thing is done, and $sort total price 1. Alrighty, almost I've gone through everything. I don't even need to worry about anything else. These many examples are enough, good to have, and using these examples I will be just understanding the aggregation thing. That's it. I mean, nothing, there's really nothing to just worry about over here. Almost in the sense, almost everything is covered. So aggregation gets over, at least I can say that basic aggregation gets over right here. As for the remaining things, I will be covering them soon. Let's change the color, make it green or something, and let's have it here. So this particular thing is done. Now the next thing is actually start working on the projects and all, and understanding the code. That's fine, I will be even going through that. Okay, interesting. Alrighty, this time I had better just simply play the music in the background, so that I can just simply focus on studying and all. So this is how I'm gonna be just simply going on. So let's continue.
close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fueled by can see my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for regrets. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Feel like a dynamite, ready to explode right up in the sky. I need you to listen, I need you to hear, and don't show any fear. I've been flying from town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Yeah. We are heroes tonight. We will fly above the sky. We are heroes tonight. Town to town, from London to Taiwan. I've been all around the globe, trying to protect your soul. goes till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them to see the horizon turn us to thousands. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we
Alright everybody, so I actually thought that there was only one package to download. The size was already 899, around 900 MB. Then just after that another one started downloading. To anyhow wait for this around 594 MB. Needs to be downloaded and then only I can just simply go ahead from here on. Just wanted to complete this video but it's not gonna happen over here. So let it download and let's simply do one thing right now as I was learning about I hope I'm audible right now. Yeah, I am audible. So let's go through aggregation today, or at least MongoDB. So MongoDB, let's simply search it, and I should be getting something from Web3 school and all. I just wanted to go through the tutorial of it, exactly what they have mentioned over there. First of all, let's change the mode. Where is that option? Dark mode option. Literally you have to click on this, then you will get this dark mode option to just crazy stuff. But this is not even bad actually. Okay, never mind, let's continue from here on. So when it comes to MongoDB, so the home, get started query, API, created collection, insert, find, update, delete query, parameters, update, aggregation. So the aggregation is something that I want to learn about. So in mainly aggregation I have group, okay, I have limit, project, sort, match, add fields, count. What is the use of count? These three things are new for me. $count, what is the use of this? So first of all, I'm matching in total Chinese. Total Chinese means what? This aggregation stage counts the total amount of documents passed from the previous stage. So from the previous stage, how many documents have been passed over here? I will be just simply checking those things out over here. Total Chinese. Okay, it is mainly used for counting and all. Then there is something called $lookup. It is mainly used for looking up and also $lookup, and this $limit. And then there is something called $out. So $out stage must be at the last stage. Properties by type. It turns out that is there any proper aggregation aggregation block. Aggregation blocks lives of official. Let's say I wanna just go through a like block type something. Complete aggregation pipeline tutorials, database, all about aggregation in MongoDB. Interesting. MongoDB aggregation tutorial with examples in this item. MongoDB aggregation joins and all. Let's go with this one. 2 years ago. Is there any dark mode option over here? Don't really need this. Close this. I don't really think there is any dark mode option. Crazy stuff on this website. There is no dark mode option. I can do one thing. Install a plugin called extension. Dark mode extension, so that I can actually convert the things in like I can turn my page into dark mode page so that it's easy to just simply go through the things. So let's simply add it to Chrome. Rating is bad, but okay, it will do the job. Okay, it's even taking time because the things are getting downloaded over here. Whoa, it is insane. Then I got this file. So many files are being downloaded. NVIDIA, Kublas, blah blah blah, don't know what all. So the main, let's simply add it to Chrome. Add extension. Dark reader, how about this? What does this do? This is also an extension, right? It simply makes the websites dark. This one is even better. The first one I will be removing from there. So the first one was dark mode. Let's remove this particular thing from here. So remove from Chrome. I said close this. Okay, as for this one, let it be here. And now everything's inside in this dark mode format, and that's what I wanted. So I can just simply keep going through this and employees insert menu. Now first of all I'm inserting the data, and all once the data is inserted, then I started learning about it. Project and all, output. Unwind, dollar lookup. Ultimately they've given a lot of examples over here. $out, $add fields, $match, replace root, and this should be enough. So I have to go through this particular documentation and learn the stuff. It helps me a lot. Thanks for amazing blog. Well, it must be amazing. Let's simply do one thing, copy the link right here. I will be going through this blog tomorrow. So yeah, I need to learn about aggregation properly. In order to even learn it well, I will have to go through the doc. So this is the only option, important topics, MongoDB. Let's paste it here. Tomorrow is gonna be the time for going through this particular documentation. Let's go a few steps back, and I was here. As for this particular thing, what the? You got to be kidding me. I mean, seriously? 899, 900 MB, 500 MB, 9495 around. You can say 1500 because it is 94 around. Then 10, 15, then 88, then 900, then 700. Today, I'm not worried about data because I'm using 5G, but I'm worrying about the size of these things. This is insane, and thankfully I'm downloading them inside an environment variable and all. Otherwise, that would have been crazy. I mean, this is actually insane. Never mind, this task thing is gonna be just driving me crazy for no reason right now. Okay, let it just download. Let's simply go through it. This is the only thing that we can do. Close this. Hugging face, environment variable. Don't you think now we use HF auth login? Let's check this thing out too. Both FreeLI and HF auth login works for Hugging Face authentication and are valid versions. Hugging Face, they both install prepare Hugging Face CLI and save cache. To run this correct CLI commands, run the GenAI terminal, then use either to remove. That's fine. HF login. Alrighty, they do the same thing. Mainly I was just simply going through the documentation, and also I got that particular command. Well, the speed is quite fast, at least 2.5 MB per second. I don't know why it increased, but yeah, it actually increased. That's not bad. Around 2 MB per second. So God, I wish I were downloading some of the movies like this and I would be watching. Seriously, speed is super crazy, and thankfully it is like this. Maybe around 3 MB per second. So per second 3 MB is getting, yeah, it is actually 3 MB right now. What else could be better than this? Okay, so let it get downloaded. It will just take a few seconds, like 30, 50, 40, 50 seconds and all. And once it is done, then I will actually start. I hope after this I will not have to download any another file. Otherwise that would be crazy. I hope it's gonna be done very soon. I appreciate this speed because initially it wasn't as much as it is right now. So amazing actually. The next thing is that at around 9 I'm gonna be calling it a day. It's already 4 to 9, so I just want to simply download it and then I wanna complete this video and then I'll be calling it. That's it. Let's see. This torch is really heavy, yeah. I mean, though I'm downloading it on my virtual environment, but it is a heavy one. And the torch size was around, I think 900 or something. Then it is downloading some extra things too. Never mind. This downloading process is almost done. I hope after this I will not get any extra file. Otherwise, I'll end this live here only. Seriously, I cannot wait, you know. I mean, what is happening? Itni sari files. It's insane. 223 GB. This is insane. Let it just download in the background. I'm not gonna be worrying about much here. Cling, 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 cling. MB is remaining right now. Thankfully the speed is quite fast, otherwise I don't know what would happen with me. I mean, downloading these many files, it would have taken the entire day if it were about 4G. So my data would have been exhausted just like this. Forget about learning AI and all. GenAI. Honestly, if I were using 4G right now, I would have gone by now. Like the data, have a look at this, how much it's actually consuming the data. So thanks to this 5G, I'm not worried about the data consumption and all. Otherwise, I don't know what would happen with me. But okay, let's see after this what will happen. I just hope that I'm not gonna get a new one. Otherwise what? You got a new one. ETA. I think these files are not gonna be a big one. ETA 536. क्या बिक रही होंगे? तो 536 MB बता रहे हैं. Let's wait. What else? I wanna run this project and then only I will end this. Now I don't wanna run this. It is driving me crazy. So many packages are being installed at the same time. It feels like there is an infinite downloading loop. In that loop is just simply running and I'm getting one after the another. So I'm getting downloads one after the other. It's just like that. Okay, it reminds me of when I actually went to one of nearby cities. Over there I just met a boy and he said that I'm learning Python and all. And I said, okay, you are learning Python. What are you actually building with that? So he said he was building GTA 5 here. So not GTA 5 actually. He was building Minecraft. I don't know how to do that. Let me even ask how to build Minecraft. How to build your own Minecraft game. I don't know, like he must have been kidding me or something, but does Minecraft actually have this? Building creating complex structures within the game like Java. भाई यहाँ तो Python का कोई सवाल ही नहीं है. So yeah, he said that he was using he was actually building Minecraft. There's no way, but never mind. He was just a kid, so can't blame him, you know. But never mind. You have no idea. Initially I was waiting for this download to be done, then this, then this, then this, then I thought okay, it's gonna be done. Then यार भाई पता नहीं मैंने क्या किया गलती से. मैंने सिर्फ टॉर्च तो इंस्टॉल किया था. What I wrote, pip install torch. भाई मैंने सिर्फ टॉर्च इंस्टॉल किया था. इस टॉर्च चक्कर में पता नहीं कितनी फाइल्स इंस्टॉल हो रही हैं. And this is insane. Let me play the music in the background. Listen to the music. Have fun. What else?
Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. See the horizon turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number, fueled by them. To see the horizon turn us to thousands, and on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And
Alright everybody, I'm just actually gonna be calling it right here. The thing is that this is gonna take time, around maybe 3 GB or something, or maybe it could be even more. It's gonna be taking time to just download this stuff and all. Let it download it. Maybe tomorrow we'll try our level best to just get the things done. When it comes to GenAI, we sometimes actually have to install a lot of things. Actually a lot. Never mind, it will just keep going on like this. I'm gonna be taking a break right now, mainly I'm gonna be doing one thing, like from today onwards I'm gonna be meditating at least for half an hour daily, in the morning as well as in the evening. Let's see how it's gonna be going on. I'm gonna be giving you updates even about this as well. So that was it. I'm gonna be catching up soon. Take care and see you soon.